Hello everyone, today we are going to solve Leetcode problem number 69, square root x. Given a non-negative integer x, return the square root of x rounded down to the nearest integer. The returned integer should be non-negative as well. Okay, you must not use any built-in exponent function or operator. For example, do not use power function in C++ and x asterisk asterisk 0.5 in Python. Let's read out the examples. If x is 4, then we have to return 2. If x is 8, then we have to return 2 since we round it down to the nearest integer. Okay. So let's mm, let do the our first approach, that is brute force. We will iterate until the value of I asterisk I is less than the value which is given, that is x. Let's do it. Int I equals to 0, and we will iterate while I asterisk I is less than equals to x. Then we will return, sorry, then we will increase the value of I, and we will return I minus 1. Now let's check it. Okay, we are getting overflow for this value. Now let's solve it. We can do here, we can convert it into long, and it will be resolved. Okay, now let's enter, submit it. Okay, it got accepted. Let's discuss its time complexity. For brute force, its time complexity is O of square root of n, because we are iterating until the I square value is greater than x, so which will be square root of n. Okay, now let's solve it using an optimal approach. And in this we will be using binary search. So we will be taking two variables. Let's take long because of overflow. I equals to 0 and long j equals to x, and we will perform a binary search. I is less than equals to j, and long m equals to I plus j minus I divided by 2. Okay, now we will check if m asterisk m is less than or equals to x, then we will assign I equals to m plus 1. Else we will do j equals to m minus 1, and we will simply return I minus 1. Now let's check it. Okay, now let's submit. Okay, now let's analyze the time complexity. Time complexity for this is O of log n, sorry, log base to n, and space complexity for both is O of 1, because we are not doing anything related to space. That's all, everyone. Thank you.